Hello, my name is Lottie.
Roxy.
Sophie.
Dylan.
And we are part of the school council at Thornton Hough Primary School.
When walking or driving around our school, it's important to remember the following.
When driving, do not park on the zigzags or in the bus stop. It doesn't matter if you are there for 10 seconds or 10 minutes. These places must be cleared to keep us safe as possible.
Please do not park on the double yellow lines near the War Memorial, even if you're running late. It is much safer to park further down the road and walk to school.
Please drive carefully and keep to the speed limit. If there are children nearby, slow down when passing.
Please follow the road signs around our school. They are to keep us safe.
Always keep your eyes on the road, even if there are distractions around.
If you are a pedestrian, always look left and right when crossing the road. Only cross when it's safe to do so. Don't cross on a corner, bend or junction. Instead, find a gap in the middle of the pavement where there are no cars.
Remember to stop, look and listen before stepping into the road.
When crossing the road, always ensure you walk and don't run.
Where possible, always cross the road with an adult. If the adult is calling you from the other side of the road, wait for them to cross, even if they tell you it's safe.
When crossing the road, put away any distractions such as phones and pause any conversations you might be having. It's important to be fully focused on crossing the road safely.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our road safety video.
If we all work together as a team, we can keep our roads as safe as possible.